guys, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉನ್ನಾರು ಎಬ್ಡಿ ಇರ್ಕೀங்க कैसे हो आप लोग? This is Rohit and welcome back to my channel. So after a long time I've been vlogging here. So it was very hectic and even the work pressure was more, so I could not do any vlog for almost 1.5 months. So right now we came for a ride in my friend's car in a Scorpio. So we are going to a village, his native. It is in Andhra Pradesh. It's to Chittoor, from Bangalore to Chittoor. So I thought that let me do a vlog. So right now we are near this Kolar. We are near to Kolar, and in the upcoming months I'll be going. There will be a big ride. So let's see. Okay guys, come on, let's go. So guys, right now we are near Kolar. From here almost Jeevan's place is... Oh, I forgot to tell something. This is my friend Jeevan. Hi bro.
Hi.
And one of my friend Raju.
Hi.
So guys, right now we are heading to Jeevan's native. So it's almost from here. Jeevan, how many kilometers?
120.
From here it is 120 kilometers. So on the way I'll catch you guys. Let's go. So guys, right now we are in some village. The village name is I don't know, Gudipalli something. So from here Jeevan's native is almost 115 kilometers. We are fully dried out here without any lunch or anything. The time is almost 2:30. We wanted to try something different lunch here. So we wanted to try village food in Jeevan's home. So let's see. We are on the way. This single road. So guys, right now we are in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka border. So we have to come to this native, we are having some short routes here. So we came in this village road. If you people can see here. So how to know that this is the border? I'll show you guys how. So you people can see there near the stone, they have written in a black color paint, AP border. AP is in English and the remaining words is in Telugu. So this is the road we are going to Jeevan's native. So let's go. Guys, we are now inside some interior village. What is the name of the village, Jeevan?
Basvi Nayanapalli.
Basvi Nayanapalli, near to Chittoor. How is the experience, Jeevan?
ఏం ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చెప్పేది మా ఊరికి నేను ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ నేను ఏం చెప్తున్నాను వచ్చి చిన్నప్పుడు ఇంకా వచ్చి అదే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్.
So Jeevan is telling that he used to come in his childhood days to his native. So guys, right now we are walking inside the village to field. What is that tota name? Mavinkai Tota. It's mango farm. So this is the way we are going. Actually we came in the car, but we have to stop the car in a certain point so that from here it is very difficult to drive the car.
ఎవరు వస్తాను ఇంకొక 1.5 hour అవుతుంది
So guys, we are walking towards the mango field. So let's go and see. I don't know how much far it is. So let's see. And so guys, almost we walked for 500 meters inside the mini forest, mild forest. So we are walking and going. Let's see what will happen. The time is around 5:30. Maybe another 45 minutes the sun will be there. After that the sun will set.
After that people taking guns.
So Jeevan is telling that in this native he has come to catch the fishes and he had it freshly there by roasting it, but it's a bad luck this time. We cannot do anything. We have to wait till March end. So guys, this is the location we came here. It is full of what is this quarry? Stone quarry. You can see we walked almost 1.5 kilometers from the vehicle's place and we came here. You guys can see here, and there is this beautiful pond, but there is water is very less here, so nothing can be done. Bad luck. So let's go for a drone view here. 3, 2, 1. So guys, this is the mango farm of our friend Jeevan. So I wanted to try driving a tractor. So we are running towards the tractor to drive it. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಮಗ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರು. ಇಂಟ್ರೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. So guys, finally we came to Jeevan's village and we enjoyed a lot here, and especially sincere thanks to our Jeevan bhai and Raju bhai and our Chotu bhai Mr. Gopal ji. Thank you. And guys, thank you. Ayoyo enguru barad. So guys, finally we enjoyed a very good day in Jeevan's native, And also the upcoming month we are going for a long ride. So until then, signing off. And guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If there is any feedback, don't forget to mention in the comment section. Bye bye. Tata.